Good morning all. I am Shritesh Patil from grade 7. I am going to tell you about today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 30th July 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Harshaman Khandelwal from grade 7. Every Wednesday we observe Wellness Wednesday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share some healthy tips such as maintain consistent sleep routines, choose whole nutrient rich over the processed snack, stay active, mix aerobic strength and bone building exercise, practice mindfulness and stress relief. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Shraddha from grade 7. My name is Ridhima Joshi from grade 7. I am Sneha Hazare from grade 7. This is Pranali Vibhute from grade 7. My name is Pratya Chaubey from grade 7. We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today it was a day in history when Wright Brothers built their first aircraft for the military. Now you all might be wondering who were the Wright brothers. They were Orville and Wilbur Wright from Ohio, USA, known as pioneer of aviation. Also, they built their first part airplane in 1903. Talking about their first flight, which took place on December 17, 1903 in Kitty Hawk, New Carolina. The flight lasted 12 seconds and went 120 feet, which was the first controlled power flight. Let's have a look towards the contract between Wright brother and US military. The army wanted a plane that could fly over 40 miles per hour, can carry a passenger, can fly an hour. In 1908, the Wrights offered a plane to the US Army. Let me share some information about the first military plane called the Wright military flyer. Delivered in 1909, cost $30,000, used mainly for training and reconnaissance. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that never give up even after setbacks. Innovation comes from